welcome back to BLOCKTV. This is Blockheads. We round up all the latest headlines from around the cryptosphere. CoinDesk reports how the U.S. Central Bank actively debating the digital dollar. Cointelegraph reports how Telegram aims to delay TON launch deadline ahead of the SEC meeting. CCN reports how Bitcoin blockchain snoop helps feds take down the world's largest child porn site. Crypto Globe reports how EY launches blockchain-powered public finance management tool. And lastly, CoinDesk reports how Samsung SDS pilots blockchain-based medical insurance network. First up, CoinDesk is reporting that the Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas President Rob Kaplan has said that the U.S. Central Bank is actively looking at and debating the issuance of a digital currency. The idea of a U.S. digital currency is to combat the fears that the U.S. dollar might lose its status as the currency of global commerce to alternative currencies such as Facebook's Libra or another government's digital currency such as China. If the U.S. dollar is displaced as the world leader, Fed bank leaders fear that it could lead to a rise in interest rates on the national debt to the tune of $200 billion a year. While the reason might be a negative one, the result of the Fed taking crypto seriously is a great one. Cointelegraph reports that Telegram told its investors in a message that it wants to push back the launch of the TON network to April 30th, 2020. The launch was originally set for late October, but the SEC recently filed a lawsuit against Telegram's $1.7 billion token offering as an unregulated security. Moving the deadline requires a majority decision by the early stage investors in the TON network. The deadline for that decision is October 23rd, because the next day, on October 24th, Telegram is scheduled for a hearing with regulators in New York where it will make the case that its TON sale was legal and that the SEC lawsuit is without merit. CCN reports that U.S. federal prosecutors have indicted a South Korean national behind the world's largest darknet child sexual exploitation site that was primarily funded using Bitcoin. Now, the website, known as Welcome to Video, was being run by 23-year-old Jung Woo's son. The South Korean national is currently serving a prison sentence in South Korea for the same crimes. Now, federal prosecutors were able to trace certain Bitcoin transactions. They were able to determine the location of the darknet server through these transactions, as well as identify the administrator of the website and ultimately track down the website server to a physical location in South Korea. Now, 337 users of the site in the US and other parts of the world have also been arrested and charged. This includes users from over 24 states, as well as from countries in Europe, Asia, the Middle East, South America, and Australia. This is truly a global problem. And they, too, welcome to video users actually committed suicide before search warrants could be executed. Developing story. Crypto Globe reports that EY, the business services firm, has launched a blockchain-based solution to help global governments be more transparent and efficient in their management of public funds. Now, the program was already piloted in various administrative settings around the world, including Toronto, where the city tested its abilities to manage interdivisional fund transfers to great results, and they found the program increased transparency, efficiency, and asset performance reporting between the divisions. Now, real-world use cases like these, especially in government offices, only will help public perception and adoption of blockchain technologies. This is great news. CoinDesk reports that Samsung plans to launch a blockchain-based medical claims processing system this month. In the current system in South Korea, patients get a receipt for services received and then must submit the documents to the insurance company. Then the insurance company must verify the accuracy before the claims are paid. Now, the blockchain-based system aims to streamline this whole process by linking hospitals, pharmacies, insurers, and other companies to automatically share the relevant information and documents so that patients can get their treatments covered without having to file claims through this complex system. Now, Samsung SDS believes that the network will reduce the workload at medical institutions, shorten wait times for claims processing, and reduce the cost of processing medical claims by up to 70%. Now, a number of major Korean hospitals have already signed on to be part of the blockchain healthcare network. This is more great use cases for the blockchain. Well, that was Blockheads. Stay current, stay informed, and stay tuned at blocktv.com.
For more news and updates, follow us on Twitter.